Hey guys, Jim from the Jim on Homes channel. Welcome back to episode 2 of our Milton Firehouse. Episode 1 shows what it was like when we first got there and what we were dealing with. And in episode 1, I told you that we had bought the house and we're going to remodel it. And I explained this in episode 1, but I made a mistake. The we is myself and Kevin and Renee Clark from Keller Williams Signature Realty and MDR Making Dreams Realty, not Making Dreams Reality. So just want to set the record straight on that. Episode 2, wow, since the first episode, a lot has happened. And there's a lot of behind the scene things that happen to go on to get us to the next level. Some of the behind the scene things, we had to meet with the municipality, find out what kind of building permits did you want us to get. We had to work with the utility companies. What is it going to take to restore electricity and gas service to the house? We had to go through and really meet with and talk to a lot of the professionals that are going to be helping us work on this house. My electrician, my truss engineer, lumberyard guy, my carpenters, any helpers that are going to be out there. We also had to make sure we have a porta potty, something simple like that you don't think about. Has to be on site. We also needed to get dumpsters arranged and have forklift brought in. When I talk about the forklift, it's funny because a lot of people, and I guess I didn't think about this being in the industry, but a lot of people are thinking that we need a forklift like what you'd see in a warehouse, just raises things up and down. As you're going to see in this video, that's not what I'm talking about. And some of the other things that are important about this video is letting you know some of the behind the scene things, such as one of the big ticket items is getting our trusses figured out. Right after the house had the fire and we got it, we closed on the house, I had to go in and start measuring. And what I was trying to do is trying to recreate and redraw the plans so we could figure out what trusses we need to get, how they're going to fit, things like that. Well, here's what I did. So after I measured all the plans up and figured out what we had, I started drawing my own plan so I could start engineering the trusses. Then I got to the Public Works Department in the city of Milton, and guess what they had? They had the actual plans. Next, as the builder, it's my job to make sure that we have all of the trusses fit onto the blueprints to make sure they're going to fit like they were engineered. And without further ado, here's episode 2 of our Milton Firehouse. Hey, again, please do me a favor. If you like this video, you liked the first video, share it with people you know. Go on to YouTube, log into your account, subscribe, click the little bell. You know what happens then. I always tell people that, and everybody that watches YouTube just laughs. Click the little bell. So also check out Renee and Kevin's Making Dreams Realty YouTube channel. Enjoy.